Our first problem is 2x equals 6. The way to solve for this is do the inverse operation, which is multiplication. In this case is division. So it's 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and that's the answer for x. This is how to solve one-step equations with fractions. First, you have to get rid of the fractions and isolate the variable. So let's go with 6 over 1 and 2 over 3 divided by... Really?
That's our whole class. You're down here. I'll be in front of you guys.
There's like a whole lesson corrupting everything.
Oh, really?
Oh, then you can just go to bed. And
I know it is. So right now we're going to work on two-step equations, and our problem that we're going to do is 2x plus 2 equals 6. So what you want to do first is subtract 2 from both sides, like so, and this side is 4, and the 2 cancels out and makes 2x, which then you divide 4 by 2, and the answer is 2 equals 2, and so x equals 2. Now we're going to work on two-step equations using fractions, and the problem we're going to use is 2 over 3x plus 2 equals 6. Now what we want to do first is subtract 2 from the other side like we did in the last problem, and on the 6 side it equals 4, and on the other side the 2's cancel out and makes x 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. And now we're going to put 4 over 1, because that's 4 wholes, divided by 2 over 3. We erase this over here, and then we're going to make the reciprocal, which is 4 over 1 times 3 over 2, which is going to equal, multiplication, which is going to equal 12 over 2. And then you put it to the whole numbers, and x equals 6. We're going to work on multi-step equations, and the problem that we're going to work on is 3 parenthesis 2x plus 2 the parenthesis equals 36. Now, the first thing we're going to do is use distributive property to solve it, and the first thing is 6x plus 6x. 6 plus 6 equals 36. And now we subtract 6 from both sides. Subtract 6 from both sides, as you see here, and the 6's cancel out, and that equals 30. And then the x and the 6 come down on the other side. Now we're going to have to divide 30 by 6. And dividing 30 by 6 is going to equal 5. And so that equals x. The answer is x equals 5. We're going to work on a harder multi-step equation, but I think we could manage. So the first thing to do is to use distributive property on the first line. Now the first thing is 4x plus 6 minus x minus 4 equals 6. Now they're going to combine like terms, and now it's going to be 3x because of the 3x plus 2 equals 6. And now 2 minus 6 equals 4. And now 4 divided by 3 equals 1.3 with a dash. And now that's going to equal x. X equals 1.3 with a dash, because it goes on for infinity. Now that's what we're gonna do. And that's the duck that I made.